How to increase your HBAR bag size, whether it be 1,000, 10,000, 100,000, or even more, with some methods that seem obvious but many people are not doing or taking advantage of. I will also be buying crypto in today's video, as this is another episode of Sunday Buys, where we buy crypto every single Sunday, and today I'm spending $250 on HBAR. So if you find value in the video, please leave a like down below and let's get straight into the video. Okay, so the first method does not require extra capital out of thin air. It's more what you do with your capital and the method of investing that you have into the market. Dollar cost averaging, everyone has heard of it. You pick a specific date, whether that be every day, every week, every month, every quarter, and you invest your money. And it avoids bad timing, especially in a market like crypto that is so volatile. It can make quite the difference. And let's look at the year of 2023, for example. Let's just say you bought $100 worth at the start of every single month from January the 1st to August the 1st this month. You can see the prices flashing on screen for every single month there at the start. You would have 14,213 HBAR worth $887. Versus if you invested that $800 all at once, let's just say on the 21st of January, you would have 11,111 HBAR worth $693. And that does not seem like a lot, but that is a 22% difference. And over the long term, with higher amounts of crypto fiat into crypto, that can mean a huge difference. So that's what I'm going to do right now. Buy crypto, dollar cost averaging. So on the exchange KuCoin, we can see here $250 worth of HBAR is now being purchased once that order goes through. Should go through any second now. Here we go. So now into the portfolio is worth $2,933. Another great thing about dollar cost averaging with multiple cryptos, you can rotate your DCA method. For example, we can see the best performer on the portfolio is XDC. I do not want to buy that right now, so we rotate to API3, a crypto that is down in profit. That's what we will do in the next episode. Now we're on to method 2 of increasing your HBAR bag. We're going to go with native staking, something I personally do not see a lot of people do. It was released around October 2022, so you've had plenty of time, nearly a year of getting free HBAR. Now you do this by contributing your HBAR to a governing council member node. And one thing I don't like about staking usually is that you're giving up your keys, but you can do this native staking through cold storage, where you download the Hashpack wallet, connect your ledger, create a new wallet, and choose the node that you want to contribute your account to. And unfortunately, the actual percentage rate of returns for staking has gone down from 6.5% to 2%. Staking is still in the newish sort of area. It's not even been a year yet. The main reasons why we're investing in the project is not because of staking, it's more a bonus to the actual investment itself. And as the network grows, as we're reaching milestone after milestone, it should be back to 6.5% in no time. And it is still better than most banks and savings accounts out there. A third and final method is moving money from other projects to HBAR, being over diversified. Warren Buffett states here,
diversification is a protection against ignorance. I mean, if you want to make sure that nothing bad happens to you relative to the market, you own everything. There's nothing wrong with that. I mean, that is a perfectly sound approach for somebody who does not feel they know how to analyze businesses.
And he refers to extreme cases of investing in 30, 40, or even 50 stocks at one time. And with the point being, can you actually even understand 15 businesses? And if you understand Hedera, you will see its superior technology to most other projects. And unlike stocks, crypto is in the infancy stages, where you might analyze a stock by checking for consistent low spending, high earnings, high profitability, and low debt. With cryptos, it's a bit different. For example, Hedera, a layer 1 project, I look at the blockchain trilemma, the problem of decentralization, security, and scalability, where many layer 1 projects have failed, but Hedera has not, because it's using technology called a DAG, a directed acyclic graph, and utilizing nodes where 2/3 of the nodes have to agree and have the same info for the transactions to move forward. So looking at projects, layer 1s, for example, Cardano, Solana, Hedera. I personally, from my research, think Hedera is superior technology, so I'm going to have a hyper focus on HBAR alone. Look at interoperability projects, Cosmos Atom, Polkadot, Quant Network. I think QNT is superior technology, so I'm going to have a hyper focus on that asset, which will grant more returns over time. Instead of having your finger in too many pies, you can actually take profit on an asset and hold some, keep some aside for the long term, because you cannot have them all. Now, if you want to find more about the structure of a portfolio, check out my recent video where I talk about high caps providing a foundation for the portfolio, mid caps for moderate taking profit and actually holding some for the long term, and the low caps, moonshots for most amount of return to rotate them profits to your bigger holds and your more secure holds. Go and check that video out if you haven't already. But if you made it this far, thank you very much for watching. Please leave a like down below, and I'll definitely see you guys in the next one.